In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export CTA performance data from Hubspot. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns or simply curious about how your call to action buttons are performing, this guide will help you access valuable insights quickly and easily. Let's dive into the steps. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Hubspot homepage. This is where your data export process begins. Once you're on the homepage, log into your Hubspot account by clicking the login button at the top right corner, enter your credentials, and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. From your Hubspot home, navigate to the marketing section through the main menu. After clicking on marketing, you'll see a list of options. Here, select CTAS or calls to action. This section holds all your CTA performance data. Once you're in the CTA section, you'll see a list of all your CTAs. Now look for the actions option. This might appear as a gear icon or a drop-down menu. Click on it. And among the options, choose export data. Clicking on export data will initiate the process of compiling all performance metrics associated with your CTAS. Depending on how much data you have, this may take a few moments. When prompted, select your preferred file format, usually CSV or Excel, based on what works best for your analysis. After making your selection, the export will proceed and your file will soon download to your computer. Check your downloads folder or your default storage location, and you should find the exported CTA performance file there. And that's it. You've successfully exported your CTA performance data from Hubspot. This data can provide powerful insights into which CTAs are driving engagement, helping you make smarter, data-driven decisions for future marketing strategies. You can also share this data with your team or integrate it with other analytics tools for deeper insights. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on exporting CTA performance data from Hubspot. Stay tuned for more videos that help empower your marketing efforts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy analyzing.